என்ன சொல்லாமா குருஜி?
சுபல शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णु शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं। सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। अपारकरुणासिन्धुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणं श्रीचन्द्रशेखरगुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
Okay. If you observe one thing, the Saraswati slokam, Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambam karishyami siddhir bhavatu me sada. இந்த ஸ்லோகம் நமக்கு சின்னதுலேருந்தே தெரியும். மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் யூ வுட் ஹவ் நோன். ஸோ 40-50 வருஷமா சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம். பட் ஒவ்வொரு தரம் சொல்ற சமயத்துல நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? வித்யாரம்பம் கரிஷ்யாமி அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? See, every day we learn a new thing. One thing or other we learn. நீங்க யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சோ தெரியாமதோ every day we learn. It may be with respect to Shastra, it may be with respect to king, it may be with respect to the internet, it may be with respect to something else, but we learn. And the learning, all the learning the மூல காரணமா இருக்கிறது சரஸ்வதி. That's why we still say, even today we say vidyarambam, vidyarambam. So it's a compound word. Okay, vidyarambam karishyami we say. Okay.
நீங்க சொல்றீங்களா
குருஜி? இந்த பார்த்தாய பிரதிபோதிதான் சொல்லணும் இல்லையா?
ஃபர்ஸ்டும் லாஸ்டும் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே
கோமதி மாதா சொல்றேனா?
நான் சொல்லிடுறேன். பார்த்தாய பிரதிபோதிதாம் பகவதாம் நாராயணேன பார்த்தாய பிரதிபோதிதாம் भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन कृतिता पुराणमुनिनां मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ददामि भगवत् गीते भवत् वेशिणीम्. அப்போ அந்த லாஸ்ட் எம் பிரம்மா, அதுதானே சார்? இந்த புக்ல எல்லாம் நம்ம சுவாமிஜியோட எல்லாம் மாறி மாறி வந்திருக்கு இல்லையா? அதுதான் பாக்குறேன். சுவாமிஜியோட தான் நான் வச்சிருக்கேன். சம்படி எம் பிரம்மா முன்னாடியே வந்துடும். சாரி, somebody else can say. I will read. Yeah. वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदे गायन्ति यं सामगावस्थितदग्धदेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः
Devaya tasmai namaha.
namaha.
இது எல்லாமே I had sent the Bhagavad Gita whole 18 chapter நமக்கு வந்து இந்த PDF ஃபார்ம்ல கொடுத்திருக்கேன். அது ஒரே இடத்துல இருந்தாலே படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். சரி,
நீங்க கொடுத்தேன் சார். நான் கொஞ்சம் ஊர்லயே இல்லையா, என் புக் எல்லாம் தேடி எனக்கே தெரியல எங்க.
பரவாயில்ல பரவாயில்ல. நான்
யூஎஸ்ல வச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டேன், மறந்து போய் எல்லாத்தையும். இப்ப இன்னும் ஒரு காப்பி நான் ஆர்டர் பண்ணி வாங்கி ஆகணும் எல்லாமே. இப்ப என்ன படிக்கணும்? இங்க யாரும் அடுத்து படிங்க.
प्रथमोऽध्यायः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
பசுமதி நீங்க ஆரம்பிச்சுக்கோங்க, அப்புறம் நான் கண்டினியூ பண்றேன். மூணா சொல்லிடலாம்.
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विषादयोगः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेताः युयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जयः।
சஞ்சயः விசர்க்கம் கிடையாது.
सारी गुरुजी। सञ्जय सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तथा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्। पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येन धीमता।
अत्र सूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुनसमायुति युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् भोजश्च चैत्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः।
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तानि बोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तानब्रवीमिते। भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समतिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूरा मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः।
अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं पिदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम् अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि। तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरु वृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्।
Up till now the army which is assembled at both the sides is being described. So appo sollirren so that I don't have to review that. And it is said now at this sloka the war starts, and normally the starting of the war is signaled by everybody blowing their conch. So now it is being described, the various conches are being blown and the drums are beaten to create a situation of of the atmosphere of war. Okay.
ततः शङ्काश्च पेर्यच्च पणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाप्यहन्यन्त स च तस्तुमुलो भवत् ततस्वेदैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्कौ प्रदत्मधुः पाञ्चजन्यं ऋषिकेशो देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं तत्मौ महाशङ्कं भीमकर्मा विर्गोदरः
अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः सात्यकिः च अपराजितः अपराजितः सात्यकिश्चापराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथ्वीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्कान्दस्तु पृथक् पृथक्
सघोषो धात्रराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यधारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा दार्ढ्यराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शास्त्रसम्पाते प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं सदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते
अर्जुन उवाच अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत यावदेतान्निरीक्ष्येऽहं योतु कामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योतव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतत्र समागताः दार्द्रराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युक्ते प्रियचिकीर्षवः संजय उवाच
So in the section after both the army side and the people who are there which have been explained, now comes the turn of Arjuna. He then asks the Parthasarathi, who is none other than the Bhagavan Krishna himself. He orders Bhagavan, you place my ratham in between both the army, so that I can see to whom I have to fight. Who are all the people I am bound to fight. So that is what he orders him. Okay. மேல படிங்க.
நீங்க படிக்கிறீங்களா? சஞ்சய் உவாச் அந்த ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணு மட்டும் படிக்கட்டுமா? நான் அடுத்தது நீங்க படிக்கிறீங்களா? அப்பதான் மூணு கரெக்டா வரும்.
நல்லா ஸ்லோ முடிச்சிடுங்க.
முடிச்சுடுறேன். சஞ்சய உவாச்ச ஏவ முக்தோ ரிஷிகேஷோ குடாகேசேன பாரத.
விசர்க்கம் வரணும் அங்கெல்லாம். நிறுத்த சமயத்துல are giving a gap, then you have to give the visargam varna. Okay
sir. eva mukto rishikesho gudakesanah bharata senayorupayor madhye स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्.
भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षितां उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति तत्र पश्यस्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान्.
So now Arjuna, having seen the army in front of him, he came to the battlefield that he has to fight along with the enemy. He didn't have any mind who are all the enemy whom he is supposed to fight. He knows, but still on seeing, he found that, mischievously what Krishna did was, he put Arjuna's chariot in front of Bhishma and Drona. That itself made him a shock in him. I have to fight with my own guru, my own great grandfather. So what a pity. Then as he was scanning the opposite army, he saw all his relatives, the uncle, Chittappa, Perippa, all sort of people, Swashara and everybody, friends. So every face, every other face is known to him. It was teasing at him, you are our enemy. So seeing that, slowly Arjuna's mind is getting changed. That means in him, that particular situation brought a change of the mind. Instead of looking at them as enemy, he looked at them, all these are my people. That my is important over there. That means he is overwhelmed by the affection to his whole people. All these people belong to me, I belong to them. How am I to fight against them? So his change of mind comes into the picture, all because of attachment overwhelmed the dharma of a Kshatriya. Kshatriya has to fight a war to establish dharma in the society. So now the dharma has gone background and his attachment to the people has come into the foreground. Okay.
कृपया परया विष्टो विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्.
कृपया परया विष्टः. நீங்க நிறுத்தினாக்கா அந்த ஓ வர இடத்துல எல்லாம் விசர்க்கம் வரணும். படிச்ச எல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். நீங்க அதெல்லாம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க, இல்ல சேத்தி படிங்க, whichever way. Okay.
कृपया परया विष्टो विषीदन्निमब्रवीत्. अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेमं स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सुं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपयुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं
संसदे हस्त्वा संस्रते repa is there. Samsrave repa followed by sakara, followed by akara, followed by takara, followed by ye.
சகாரா ரேப்பா தானே, சகாரா ரேப்பா இல்லையா?
அது ஸ்ரான் தான் வருது சார். ஸ்ரா எஸ்ஆர்இ ஸ்ரா.
ஸ்ரம்சதே
संसदे या
स्रंसते
सकारा.
गाण्डीवं संस्रते हस्तात् त्वच्चैव परिदह्यते त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः.
So now Arjuna's witnessing this as change has come in his mind. That change in the mind of attachment is now expressing visibly in his body, which he himself is telling, because this brought about really a sort of a kripa on his mind. Why should I kill my people? So he said my சீதந்தி மவகாத்ராணி, என்னோட உடம்பெல்லாம் நடுங்குகிறது, முகம் ச பரிசுஷ்யதே, என்னோட மூஞ்சி, என்னோட முதலெல்லாம் மூஞ்சி எல்லாம் ஃபேஸ் அண்டா is getting dried up, நாக்கெல்லாம் வளர்ந்து போறது. So he is expressing his change of condition of the mind having reflected on his physical body itself, a situation where it is intense on him. Only when it is intense, this mind condition will get reflected on the body. That is what he is explaining. Okay, mela padingo.
निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनं आहरे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च.
விஷயம் ஒன்னு, ராஜ்யம் போகாஹா அங்க விசர்க்கம் சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை, because you can't stop there. Followed by sakara is there. The visarga
sir நீங்க முடிச்சிடுங்க, அப்புறம் நான் சொல்றேன்.
So the visarga followed by sakara, the visarga will be changed to sakara. So bhoga sukhani cha will come. Only after the visarga, the ksha, when it comes, that is kakara followed by murdanya sakara, then only that visarga should be pronounced. Okay sir. La marundu poitel nyaapraduthinga ella. Okay, so basically now he is further explaining that having his bodily changes have been expressed. Now his mind is further working on that. He says, I see the very bad omen. Probably you would have seen something in the sky and all, which every other person would have also seen. But then when the mind is not calm, then everything goes against is the same. So nimittani cha pashyami viparitani nimittani aham pashyami. And then not only that, then he said na kangshe vijayam krishna. Hey Krishna, I don't want the victory in this particular battle, and I don't want the sukham of the rajyam. By killing my own people, how am I to going to have a peaceful life? So adala I am feeling little bit I am disturbed. That means his dharma of as a kshatriya to fight the war is going more and more in the background. His attachment is coming more and more into the foreground. So he says dharma as a adharma, adharma as a dharma. So he is seeing opposite. Okay,
आचार्या पितरः पुत्रास्तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाः श्वशुराः पौत्राः அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது, मातुला श्वशुरा पौत्राः शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा.
Here also they are saying visarga followed by pakara will be pronounced as a fa. Matula shvashira putra. Okay. நான் இதெல்லாம் கேட்பா யாரு உங்களுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன் கொடுத்தா கேட்பா. சோ என் பேரு நான் காப்பாத்திக்கணும்.
கண்டிப்பா கண்டிப்பா சார். மாதுலா ஸ்வசுரா பௌத்ராः शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किं नु मही कृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैताना ततायिनः.
Further he justify by killing them I am going to get papam only, but he actually is not going to get papam. He is establishing the dharma, that is his duty to be done. But since he has to kill his own relative, he looks at it differently. So even the other side, they are all atatayinaha. They have done the worst of the papa. Even then they are done like that. I don't want to kill. I don't want this the bhoga of rajyam. Okay.
तस्मान्नाहा वयं हन्तुं दार्द्रराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान्. स्वबान्धवान् தான குருஜி.
So first bandhavan சொன்னேன், அதனால swabandhavan. तस्मान्नाहा वयं हन्तुं दार्द्रराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हृत्वा अहत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव. यद्यप्येते न पश्यन्ति लोभोपहतचेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं कथं न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः. இங்க விசர்க்கம் சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா குருஜி? நீ நிறுத்தினாக்கா if you are giving a gap of more than half a matra, you have to pronounce and say. You have two way you can do it. kadam na jneyam asmabhi papadasmabhi அப்படி சேர்த்து படிக்கலாம். நிறுத்தினாக்கா சாதாரண இது ஒவ்வொரு குவார்டர் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்லோகா. நிறுத்தினா then you have to say kadam na jneyam asmabhi.
कथं न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान् निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन.
प्रपश्यद्भिः जनार्दन, and the visarga is changed into refa. Okay. See, I just wanted to say the one matra when you are pronouncing u, the time involved is called one matra. Okay, adoda half a matra time is determines whether the stopping time is half a matra or more than that. U enna time irukko aduk, that is called one matra. Padichirukom idu nama. Okay, adoda padi is half a matra, and in our reading if it happens to be that space time given is more than half a matra, then the visarga is to be pronounced. Otherwise it has to be all whatever the sandhi rules are there, that has to be followed. Okay.
कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनाः धर्मे
what only, not what only now Arjuna think, I have to kill these people. The consequence of this killing people is finally only one army is going to win, other army is going to be totally eliminated. That means there are so many people, then their whole clan of people are going to be get killed. That is, their kulams are going to be eliminated, and I'll be responsible for that, and then for that also the papa will come to me. Hence I don't want, he says. Okay.
कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनाः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽपि भवत्युत अधर्मापि भवात् कृष्ण प्रतुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः सङ्करो नरकायैव कुलज्ञानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः.
So the consequences of the kulakshaya is further justified. This is how it happens in our life also. When we are in a situation where we are getting into the phase where something which has to be adharma is involved, we will say, we I have to do that. We will justify it various manner. Adhimari, he says, Kula dharma mattu ainjanala problem ille. Although the consequence, the following generation is going to get deteriorated also. If those fathers who are all in the army are going to get killed, nobody there to teach the children, and the children will not do whatever the final rites are to be done, and the following the shraddha and other things they will not do. If they don't do, then that will be a very big problem. Not only for them, they will. I will be responsible for that. Okay.
दोषैरेतैः कुलज्ञानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नित्यं नरके नित्यं वासः भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुमः अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः.
It is further justified by the kulas getting eliminated, then the lineage are not maintained. There will be varna sankaraha, the mixing of various varnas will take place. So that was the time, Mahabharata time, where they were following the varna ashrama, that is the brahmana, kshatriya, the vaishya, sudra, and within them also there are divisions are there. All those divisions, they follow their own culture, their own family lineage. If these people are there is nobody to direct them of the dharma, then the whole the varna sankara will take place. The mixing up of the various varnas will take place. That is what happening in today's context. Even the marriage between various things are all going on. Anyhow, that is different issue. I don't want to talk about it. So he is justifying. Then for that also I will be responsible. So I am about to do a very big papam. At least now I got the idea that I should not do it. Abhingra. Padingo.
यदि यदि मापप्रतीकारम्
மாம்
अश्रद्धं
அப்பிரதீகாரம் வரணும். மாம் அப்பிரதீகாரம் சேர்த்து படிச்சுக்கலாம்.
यदि माम् अप्रतीकारम् अश्रस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः अश्रस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः यदि माम् अप्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः दार्द्रराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्. सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा अर्जुनः अपि चेत्
एवमुक्तार्जुनः
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्ख्यः स्तोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः.
What happens? These two also there by this justification, I don't mind leaving all my weapons. Let me be killed by the Dhritarashtra. That will be better. That will be kshemataram. And then by telling, then he remained quiet. And Sanjaya reports to Dhritarashtra by saying that the Arjuna is sat in the ratham on the weight of the saying Visujya Sasaram Chapam, leaving dismantling his bow on arrow, and his mind was preoccupied with shokam. So basically what happened is his attachment, raga, that is attachment to the people completely, and that was happening because of his wrong understanding, moham. So raga dvesha along with moham leading to shokam is the condition of the Arjuna. That is what it is called as a Vishada Yogam in this thing. So on the
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஏவம் உக்த்வா அர்ஜுனः சங்கியேவ ல சங்கியः வா அத ஏவம் உக்த்வா அர்ஜுனः
என்னோட பிரிண்டிங் சரியா இல்ல சங்கேதா
அதான் சங்கேனா பேட்டில் ஃபீல்ட் தானே, கரெக்ட் தானே?
இந்த பேட்டில் ஃபீல்ட் சப்தமி,
அதான் சப்தமி சங்கே. அப்புறம் ரத இது எப்படி சார்? ரதோபஸ்த உபாவிஷத்து இல்லையா? ரதோ கரெக்ட். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. வசுமதி மாதா படிங்க.
इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
So the meaning is, in every adhyaya, these are all came later. It is not part of the Mahabharata, the same. So just to say what is the topic, this particular thing is called Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama. And the yoga here, yoga means it is not yoga in the normal sense. The word yoga has got number of meaning. Here yoga in every chapter at the end of it comes. It means the topic of that particular chapter. So what is the topic of first is the same Arjuna Vishada Yoga. The sorrow of Arjuna is the topic in the first chapter, and how the sorrow got developed is the one which has been explained.
அடுத்தது படிக்கலாமா சார்?
மேல போங்க.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ பரமாத்மனே நமः. சாங்கியயோகः. சஞ்சய உவாச்ச तं तदा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणं विशीतन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः. श्रीभगवान् उवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन. क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्यप्युपद्यते. क्षुत्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Let me explain this. By this, tam tata kripaya avishtam is basic. This thing is kripa on his relative. Because he had a kripa, why should that is karuna? Why should I kill them? That is the main thing. But then it is getting transferred, and his whole eye was filled up with moisture. He didn't cry. He is a very big warrior, so he didn't cry. But then the Vyasa is depicting him, but still his eyes are filled up with moisture. And then vishidantam idam vishidantam, the one who is sorrowful, the Bhagavan is telling that. What he is telling? Because Arjuna said, I'm not going to fight. He kept the bow and arrow. Okay, so Bhagavan is giving a sort of a, many a time it happens at adverse time we don't know what to do. Maybe somebody has to come and say to us, no, what you are doing is not correct. You are capable of doing this. You should start doing it. Like that, a pep talk is being given by Bhagavan. He is asking from where this sort of cowardness has come into you. You are he's a big warrior. You have fought against even Shiva. Okay, this is not befitting to you, and this is against the Arya. Arya means, na explain pannirken class la, what is the Aryas? The same. What is to be done at a situation in keeping with the dharma, that person should be able to do, even if it is not going to help him out anyway. He has to do the dharma action. That is very important. But then you look like a anaryaha. Means you are slipping away from the Arya's position. Okay, so this is not correct for him. You are like a klaibyam masmavak partha. Your behavior is not befitting to you. This hridaya daurbalyam, the durbalyatya bhavam daurbalyam, the weaklings in your heart, you stop, and then you uttishta, you get up and fight. And then he making it parantapa, paran arin tapati iti parantapa. You one who can always, by the very look of our Arjuna, your enemies are afraid of them. They all get burned. So Apdiyapatani, you should not do that. It is not befitting to you. For which Arjuna is again responding. Padingo.
Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmamaham sankhe dronam chamasudana yishubhihi pratiyotsyami pujarha varisudana gurun hatva bhavan श्रेयो भोक्तुं वैक्ष्यमपि लोके हत्वार्थमा
நான் படிக்கிறேன் அப்புறம் படிங்க சரியா வரல குரு ஹத்வா ஹி மகானுபாவான் ஸ்ரேயோ போக்தும் வைக்ஷமபீஹ லோகே ஹத்வார்த்தகாமான்ஸ்து குருன் நிஹைவ புஞ்சீய போகான் ருதிர பிரதிக்வான்
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं वैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामास्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विग्धकतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषाम तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः.
In fact, when we the summer vacation we came, we were discussing the 6th sloka. So now on Bhagavan's word, Arjuna is telling Khatam Bhishmam Aham Sankhe Dronam cha Madhusudana Ishubhihi Pratiyotsami. How am I will be able to keep in front of my arrow my own great grandfather Bhishma and my own guru Dronam? It's not possible for me. They are all pujarkau. They are all to be revered. They are all to be பூஜைக்கு உரியவர்கள். அவர்களை நான் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணோம். I can't put the arrow on them. So that is a problem for me, he says. Then also he says gurunu hatva ki mahanubhava shreyo bhoktam vaikshamapiha loke. என்னோட குருவை எல்லாம் கொன்னுட்டு மகானுபாவனாக இருக்கிற குருன்னு எல்லாம் கொன்னுட்டு நான் ஒரு ஸ்ரேயஸையும் அடைய போறதில்லை. On the other hand, I would rather resort to sannyasa, vaikshyam naka bhikshasya bhavam vaikshyam. I will go for begging or I will go for a sannyasi, and I don't want to live in a rajyam where I have all the time will remind me of their blood only. That is what is this bind Arjuna is telling to Bhagavan. Then in the 6th sloka, but there is again a change of mind on the part of Arjuna. One set of change came in the first chapter where he got confused. Moham, that is moham means got confused between what is dharma and adharma, and then he is to be done karma war, he looked at it as adharma, and eliminating the enemies he looked at it as a adharma. And then that led to a lot of problem. He got confused the whole thing, which finally ended up in shoka on his part. He was sorrowful. And so now, but after hearing Bhagavan this thing, he now got idea, maybe my line of thinking is not all right. My own friend Sri Krishna is advising me that what I am doing is not all right. So something is wrong with me. So that is what is expressing in the 6th sloka. Okay. So we will read from the Gita Pravesha, the Anvayam, and the Sanskrit grammar before we proceed with the final meaning of that. It is page in the 66.
அறுபத்தி எட்டான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. என்னோடதுல 68 இருக்கு.
இதுல வந்து the padachhedaha, that is the whatever the sloka is there, அத பதம் பிரிச்சு பதம் பதமா போட்டிருக்கா first. Na cha etat, very important, because we are not going to do any grammar separately. நீங்க இத பார்த்து வெச்சுக்கிறது better. Okay, and then pada parichayaha, what is what that pada conveys, it is said. Then padarthaha, then anvayaha, prosal form. All these things we will read, and then later the grammar point vyakaranam, which is there in the next page, the sandhi, kridanta and tadidanta. This familiar panni vechukonga. Those who have got certain doubt on that, we will discuss it separately. Okay, okay. Idu vandu ovvotharu ovvonu podingo. The padachhedaha and padaparichayaha, some of you do. Then the padarthaha and anvayaha and the following vyakaranam, somebody else can do that. Okay.
पदच्छेदः न च एतत् विद्मः कतरत् नः गरीयः यत् वा जयेम यदि वा नः जयेयुः यान् एव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः ते अवस्थिताः प्रमुखे दार्द्रराष्ट्राः.
So the one of the idea which this padacheda gives, when we are stopping at the first line, so we will know, for example, nachaidat vitmaha kataranno gariyo irukku. அந்த இடத்துல நிறுத்தினாக்கா அந்த கரியோங்கிறது வந்து எப்படி மாறுறதுங்கிறது அந்த பதச்சேதத்துல போட்டிருக்கு கரியாஹா. அதை பார்த்து வச்சிருந்தானாக்கா படிக்கிற சமயத்துல நிறுத்தினாக்கா நச்சைதத் வித்மஹா கதரன்னோ கரியாஹா அப்படி பார்த்து வச்சுக்கலாம். அதுக்கு வேண்டிதான் அது இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி எவ்ரிவேர் யூ கேன் ஃபாலோ. ஓகே
குருஜி, அது கரியாஹாவா கரியஹாவா குருஜி?
கரியாஹா தான். The visarga a followed by visarga will get converted into o.
pada parichayah, padam na avyayam, cha avyayam, etat dakarantah sarvanama napumsakalingah द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं. विद्मः, विद् धातु परस्मैपति कर्तरि लट् उपबहुवचनं गुरुजी. अदे
उत्तमपुरुष
बहुवचनं.
उत्तमपुरुषः बहुवचनं. कतरत्
வித்மஹாங்கிறது நவுனா இல்ல வெர்பா?
வித்மஹ வந்து வித் தாத்து தானே.
தாத்து. அப்போ எல்லா குழுவும் இருக்கு, அதனால தான் கேட்டேன். உத்தம புருஷா பகுவச்சனம் வேற இருக்கு.
ஆமா, உத்தம புருஷா.
அப்ப என்னது?
கொஞ்சம் டைம் கொடுங்க.
வெர்புக்கு அவனுக்கு தெரியலன்னா ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடும். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் a verb only. ஓகே, அடுத்து படிங்க. கதரத்
சகாராந்தக நபும்சகலிங்கः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. नः अस्मत् शब्दः दकारान्तः अस्मत् दकारान्तः सर्वनाम करेक्ट गुरुजी சொல்றது सर्वनाम शब्दः दाने गुरुजी षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचनम
करेक्ट
ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நாள் ஆயிடுச்சு குருஜி நான் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் இனிமே ரெகுலரா கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து கொஞ்சம்
உங்களை விட எனக்கு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு you cannot afford to change okay பரவாயில்லை படிங்க okay I don't want to frighten you
गरीयः गरीयस् शब्दः सकारान्तः गरीयस् शब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं यत् दकारान्तः यत् शब्दः सर्वनाम दकारान्तः सर्वनाम यत् शब्दः नपुंसकलिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं वा अव्ययं जयेम जी धातु परस्मैपति कर्तरि विधिलिङ् उत्तमपुरुषः बहुवचनम्
okay
यदि अव्ययं नः अस्मत् दकारान्तः सर्वनाम अस्मत् शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं
okay
जयेयुः जी धातु परस्मैपति कर्तरि विधिलिङ् प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं यान् दकारान्तः सर्वनाम यद् शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं एव अव्ययं हत्वा त्वान्तम् अव्ययं करेक्टा गुरुजी जिजीविषामः जीव धातु परस्मै सन् अदु एनकु
sun pratyaya is added then it will become you will get a new dhatu okay and doubling will take place
okay sannanta dhatu
परस्मैपति कर्तरि लट् उत्तमपुरुषः बहुवचनं ते तद् शब्दः दकारान्त सर्वनाम तत् शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम् अवस्थिताः
प्रथमा विभक्ति
सारी विभक्ति सारी
आमा विभक्ति தான் கரெக்ட் இல்ல கரெக்ட் தான் பிரதமா விபக்தி தான் கரெக்ட் தான் बहुवचனம் கரெக்ட் தான் கரெக்ட்டா தான்
புருஷக வந்து உங்களுக்கு எந்த இதுல தானே வரும் இல்லையா
पुरुष வந்து இதுதான் வரும் पुल्लिंग वो तत्कारांत सर्वनाम तत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन करेक्ट தான்
फर्स्ट रामः रामो रामाः மாதிரி प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचனம் கரெக்ட் தான்
டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கும் இந்த தத் शब्दம் எல்லாம் டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கும்
இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு தேன வரும்
अवस्थिताः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अवस्थित शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं प्रमुखे अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः प्रमुख शब्दः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं दार्द्रराष्ट्राः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः दार्द्रराष्ट्र शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं
पदार्थ विட்டுடுங்க अन्वयம் படிங்க
अन्वय यान् हत्वान् जिजीविषामः ते एव दार्द्राष्ट्राः प्रमुखे अवस्थिताः तस्मात् यद् वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः अनयोः ततरत् न गरीयः इति एतत् न विद्मः
So, Arjuna is telling his confused status. Etat na vidmaha. I don't know this. What I don't know? Katarat na gariyaha. There are two things are there between that, which I am supposed to do, which is shreyas for me. I don't know. Which means now Arjuna has come to the one another point of view. Earlier he was having a standing that I will not fight, but now I am prepared to fight, but that fighting is correct or not, I still have confusion in me, because yare yan hatva na jivishavaha, yare ellam konnu I don't want to live, te eva dashrarashraha, they are all dashrarashra, they are all my own relative, they are all in front of me, pramukhe avasthitaha. Therefore yatva jayema, whether we will win over, yadiva no jayevu, or whether we will get defeated, I don't know. But now slowly changing, is prepared to fight. At least he has come. But he doesn't know whether we will win or we will lose. I don't know. Earlier he said, I will take sannyasa. Okay. So in other words, he is preparing his mind to listen to the Krishna as per his direction. He is prepared to work on that. In other words, now in Krishna he looks at it. In Krishna he looks at it differently. So far Krishna was his contemporary, his friend. They have moved like a friend. Now slowly recognize Krishna is not only mere friend, he is Bhagavan Vishnu himself, and his advice is going to help him, is going to surrender to him. We will look at it at the class la paate.
Okay.
இந்த கிராமர் பாயிண்ட் ஏதா இருந்தா எழுதி அனுப்புங்கோ, இல்லைன்னா அப்புறமா இன்னொரு கிளாஸ்ல பேசலாம்.
இல்ல இந்த கத்தரத் அப்படிங்கிறது கிம்னு அர்த்தம் கொடுத்திருக்கா, அது அதோட
அதாவது ரெண்டு, between two, if you have to do, the katarat will become. If there are many choices, then it will be there is another word that is used. It is a tadidanta. That part padikala padichanaga theriyum. Okay
sir, thank you.
Okay, mudichirungo.
Sahana vavatu sahanau bhunaktu sah viryam karavavahi तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमः शिवाय इति शिवं प्रपद्ये, शिवप्रसीद इति शिवं प्रपद्ये, शिवोत्परं नम इति शिवं प्रपद्ये, शिवोऽहमस्मि इति शिवं प्रपद्ये। दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात्, सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात्, शान्तो मुच्येत बन्धेभ्यो मुक्ते चान्द्यान् विमोचयेत्। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।
It looks we are only 3 will be there. I don't think so anybody is going to join. If at all they join,